I'm going to show you how to do space wings and sparkles and have the shaders move and have the, see how the tail goes behind the wings. This is a cool effect. I'm going to show you how to do that. And most of these methods should work for multiple shaders. All right, compatible with VTubing and VRChat. Remember, there is timestamps if you get bored. All right, let's get started. There's multiple ways to do space wings and cool effects, all right? This one has a little glitter. This one has a moving background. This one has a cool tail behind it. I'm going to show you how to do all these cool methods. I'm using Poiyomi Shader. This works for VRChat and for VC Face SDK. All right, for normal VTubing, I'll show you one method at the end that works because go off the cube map. All right, so let's get started. All right, color normals. This is the first method that I like, and normally starts at 1. I like to do 10. Make sure you click right here and select this. And remember, select your speed as fast as you want. As you can see, I like to do that speed. 10 is my favorite because remember, when you look out, it's blurry. So if it's blurry inside VZ face, just changes values. All right, and I like to do color adjustment. This is give it this extra juice. And the negative thing about this is if you look from above, does that weird effect. All right, that's not a problem for me though. All right, let me show you another cool effect. Let me turn this one off and turn this one on. Okay, the cool thing is you can do a mask, but the bad thing is it makes it warp. All right, that's the only negative thing about it that I don't like. So it's up to you if you want to do it that way. And I'm going to close it. Here's another one. This one's really cool, but it has its disadvantages. All right, this effect does not work in VC Face that well. All right, it makes it look really blurry from off the graphic view. Just letting you know that. It can also do a mask. So it has advantages, disadvantages. Like if I just put on a random one, this one, for example, it's only going to do it in certain spots. It's kind of hard to explain. But yeah, but also you have to do a cube map. See this? Normally it starts off as a texture. Then you turn your texture into this, copy your settings, then you're good to go. All right. And my favorite is just a normal one for what I have to deal with. All right, so you want to do cool glitter effects on the wings. Let me show you how to do that. That's on glitters. That's just inside special effects, glitters. All right, and there's a bunch of options right here. So choose the one that works for you. All right, down here, there are depth effects. This may not work for VRChat, but it works great for VTubing. So that's why I put it. And it also makes so it has a moving texture. For example, if I delete that, boom, then boom. Depending on, I did moving texture as well. So it moves if I click on it. So if I go right here, it does all the cool move things depending on what time it glows. All right. Oh, see, now it's glowing. Now it's not. All right. Just depending if you want to have that. I like that one. And let me show you another method. I go to my shaders. Where are they? Oh, dang it. Here we go. This one works for VTubing. We're going to grab and drop this one on here. You see, it also goes off the geometry, but as you can see, it's a VRM shader. And I go on the mid cap, everything else is black. And yeah, if you have good geometry on the wings, like I would make them all flat, then that will look good for most VTubing programs. All right, and that's it. This awesome avatar is free for the community, so it was so fun to make. And if you guys need help, leave a comment down below.